Welcome to the video. This mixed media tutorial is part of a miniature wildflower series. In this episode, we make a 1/12 scale Winecup Poppy Mallow. Materials are listed in the description box below. We use 3 paper punches for the project. Mix artificial snow with ivory paint. Let dry. Punch 1 brown circle for the base, glue the top, add dry T-bits, press. Paint a 5.5-inch piece of floral wire. Let dry. Color both sides of a small piece of white copy paper with a magenta marker. Let dry. Punch 10 flowers, then outline the edges with a burgundy marker. Use a toothpick to help hold the flower. Next, paint a dot in the flower centers with a toothpick. Cut the floral wire into 10 half-inch pieces. Then use a stylus to curl the flowers. Clamp the stems, then glue flowers on top. Let dry. For the leaf preparation, punch 10, roll the stylus down the centers, lightly paint, after dry, lightly mark leaves with a colored pencil. Take 5 leaves, remove the ends as shown, then glue them around on the base. Cut the edges off the remaining 5 leaves to make the stem greenery. Glue a greenery piece to each stem, 1/16 to 1/8 inch below the flower. With tweezers, glue a snow bit to the inside of each flower center. Now you can arrange the stems on the base. You could make several plants to display in a garden or in a nature setting. I hope you like this episode of the Wildflower Series and are inspired to make Winecup Poppy Mallows. Thank you so much for watching and sharing.